so what we're going to do is we're going to make a puree of turnips. And for that, we're going to kind of do a couple of different things with that. So the first thing we're going to do is the thing that takes the longest.
Okay.
So we'll start with that.
Okay.
This we're going to actually cook it, and we're going to roast it out a little bit, so get some caramelization, a little more flavor with it. But then we're also going to use the celery root. This is the celery root itself.
Wow.
And it has like a, obviously, super celery flavor to it. And it blends so well, and it really gives a blending flavor to it. So we're going to use that.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's
very fragrant.
so good. Yeah.
What are the nutritional value of turnips?
So turnips, if you're going to give it to your infants, it's a nice source of fiber. So fiber is what helps our digestive system work well so we don't get backed up. So as children are introduced to different kinds of foods, you want to make sure that they're not having any issues with digestion. And so this in excess can cause a little bit of gas. So just make sure you're doing things in balance.
Okay.
You also get lots of vitamins. So you're getting your vitamin A, you're getting your vitamin C. And these are things that all of your body needs to have healthy growth and development.